okay. Come on. Come on, baby. He's a good boy. What's that? Come on, let's go. Good boy. Good boy. He is a good boy. All right, you ready? Let's go.
Titus! Titus!
Where is Titus? Titus is down there. Titus, come on. Hey, come here. Come on, puppy. Come here. Come here, Titus. You're not going to catch that groundhog. I guarantee it. And even if you did, it would probably kick your butt. Come here. Phoenix was really worried about you. Yeah, see? Phoenix, were you worried about Titus? There he goes. Good boy.